Yeah. Yo, I swear this wasn't my fault. Yo, I wasn't even ripping it, bro.
What'd you say? If you can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule.
Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
This wheel is something bigger than you.
Bigger than me, that's right.
How the fuck did you mount this?
I have a...
Oh, okay, okay.
Hi, world.
So, you're by yourself, guys? Just go. Just sit on the floor. This is your best friend.
Trust me, it'll save your back. Peep the technique, people. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Sean back at it with another episode. I got so much shit to do this week that I really don't even have time for this. So we're gonna do like a recap of like all the music videos we've done over here. I mean, it's kind of entertaining. It's something for you guys to watch. We have Austin over here putting some spacers on this baby. We gotta transport it so we can take out the motor and slap it in the other wide booty Beamer. Think that's gonna work? So yeah, they're expecting me to drive the Alps thing. We're gonna see how that goes. I'm probably gonna get pulled over. Black man driving a car with no headlight. Yo, E, what do you think the odds are that I'm getting pulled over today? Woo! That's a no comment from E. So yeah, I guess wish me luck, you guys. If you don't see me by the end of this video, I'm in jail.
Yeah. On a trip, on a ride, burning trees, genocide in the forest full of flies. Run like forest or you die. Pussy boy or summer fights. Mommy, I take your life. I don't need a gun. I only use a knife. Speed racing, that's a basic. Gave my soul away just to make it. Got me brain sick, feeling faded. Faceless, like it was a Mason. Came in from a side of gun, I'ma run. Basic, bitches wanna hunt for Tyson lumps. Pacing, clogging on my board, leaving bumps. Hey, 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 hey. Got no time, man, I'm tryna fucking shine. Brighter than the flint to light the split to feel so fine. Lying in the jungle, now these bitches hit my line. Bitch don't hit my line, man, I'm out here tryna grind. I got no time to waste. I want a Gucci round my waist. All you fucking fakes, get the fuck right on my face so you catch a case. Bash and face it with a mace, this is just a face. I leveled up from Minimade.
We're ready for the winter rush, okay? 20s, 17s, we got the 18s. We got some more 18s.
Jeez.
Okay, we got another 160 pieces coming in next Wednesday. This rim right here has got the sauce. You know about the sauce?
How much sauce?
Too much sauce.
Jeez.
The East Alabama sauce, that's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh. Be nice, be nice. Ooh. Don't leave me.
Don't leave me at an unbeatable price.
Oh,
unbeatable
man.
price. Don't hesitate to call us, baby. We got the best prices around and the best quality.
Yeah. SABO made this beat. Race car, feel like NASCAR. Race car, feel like NASCAR. Going so fast, money. She calling me honey. You looking funny. Bad, just look bad. Fast car, Madagascar. Call me NASCAR. Phantom, put the dash in them. Put the racks in them. Fast car, Madagascar. Call me NASCAR. Phantom, put the dash in them. Put the racks in them. Race car, race car, race car. Feel like NASCAR. Race car, race car, race car. Feeling NASCAR.
We're giving away a lot of stuff. $1,000. Did somebody say $1,000? Yeah, I'm telling you guys, that was me. I said $1,000 worth of car parts. $1,000, you can buy a lot of car parts. I'm telling you guys, and you'll enter to win a car. A free car. Did somebody? Yeah, I said a free car, guys. And it's gonna be wild. And it's not just any normal car. It's got some 2 spoolie boys. It's got some wide booty, some 3-piece rims. So you'll be decked out. You'll be ready for summer. I'm telling you, once we reveal this car, everybody's gonna want to enter. Because we got 10 different people that can win.
Trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. My niggas rolling dice like they selling a rock. And I was at work at 7 o'clock. Keep a low radar and then running the block. Long lock swing like the block is high. The block is high, yeah, the block is high. Run up in the spot and grab the guap. Split it with my niggas, then dodge the cops. But I was at work by 7 o'clock.
I bring home the bag, she call me a dad. Diamonds and bags, she count the bands. She bring home the racks, she split up the stacks. We don't pay tax, she bringing it back. She throwing it back, she bringing it back. She throwing it back, she throwing it back. She throwing it back, she throwing it back. No cap.
Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back.
My nigga, you not cold, yo? Oh, man. All right, so I tried. I'm back at the shop, and yeah. Yo, I swear this wasn't my fault. Yo, I wasn't even ripping it, bro. I didn't get a chance to rip it. I was like, yes, Austin said I could rip it, and then, yeah. That was sketch.
Oh, what? Oh, this is acid? No, it's coolant. But from where?
It's gotta be in here somewhere. Yo, Austin.
Yo.
I think I figured out the problem.
What? Beamer?
Beamer. That's another episode. I hope you enjoyed my unfortunate event, and I hope you enjoyed all the music that I put you guys on, you know? Too Fast TV, baby. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, because, yo, we love subscribers, and subscribers love us, obviously, because they're subscribing. So, yo, Too Fast, baby. What?
Too Fast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
English.
So high off this rubber. You're laughing at the same time.
Came up on the way just to make it. Got
you can't drive. It is what it is.